In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to fix the common Python error. If you are running a Python script and seeing this error, model not found error, look into this Python script. This one is the Python script, and let's run this code. So I'm gonna click on run, and you will got this error: model not found, no model name pandas, right? So let's fix this problem. This error is caused by the absence of the Findus model in your Python environment. Now I'm going to open a new terminal and run the command. So I have already write the command. So I'm going to copy this command. If you are using Python 3, so write fib3 install pandas. So I'm going to copy this command and paste here. Now run the command. Once executed, the installation of all the required packages will begin. Wait for the process to complete it successfully. So I'm gonna just wait to install all the packages. Click on this run button to run the code. And now you will see the result of the code. So in this way you can fix the issue model not found error. So if this video is helpful, please subscribe my channel, comment, like and share. Thank you.